Good morning to everyone. I am Sananjum from class 8 at Rainbow School. As we all stand here today to perform an activity about agricultural tasks. As we all know that agriculture is the backbone of our country, providing food and livelihood for the millions of villagers. Firstly, it starts from preparing the soil and ended by the crop harvesting. Farmers work very hard to ensure a beautiful yield. Let us explore the 7 key tasks involved in the agriculture. They are preparing the soil, sowing of seeds, applying manure, irrigation, weeding, crop harvesting, and finally, 7th step is storage of crop produce. So let's dive into the activity. The process typically follows a specific sequence to transform a raw land into a fertile field, like ploughing and leveling the soil. Farmers, while preparing the soil, they celebrate a festival called Erwaka Festival.
కపటం కానని వాడా లోకం పోకడ తెలియని వాడా కల్లా కపటం కానని వాడా లోకం పోకడ తెలియని వాడా ఏరువాక సాగరో రన్నో చిన్నన్న నీ కష్టమంతా తీరును రో రన్నో చిన్నన్న.
Sowing of seeds. Sowing of seeds is biggest task for agriculture. The selecting seeds also biggest task for agriculture. The seeds which are submerged into water that are useful for agriculture. The common method of sowing seeds is broadcasting, drilling, transplanting. On harvested days, crops are divided into two types. They are long-term and short-term crops. Now, long-term crops. The crops which took 180 days for sowing to harvesting are called long-term crops. Jowar and red gram are the examples for long-term crops. Now, short-term crops. The crops which took 100 days for sowing to harvesting are called short-term crops. Green gram and black gram are the examples for short-term crops.
According by the season, crops are divided into two types. There are Kharif and Rabi. Kharif crops are grown in the rainy season. In Arabic language, Kharif means rain. Example of Kharif crops are paddy, chili, sugarcane. These are example of the Kharif crops. Rabi crops are grown in the winter season. In Arabic language, Rabi means winter. Example of Rabi crops are wheat, maize, sugarcane, etc. These are the example of Rabi crops.
Now, applying of the manure. Applying of the manure is a soil critical task for farmers which is divided into two types, natural manure and artificial manure. Natural manure is made up of animal waste and plant waste, and artificial manure is made up of various chemicals. This is useful for agriculture.
Hey all, I am here to just give a note on irrigation. Irrigation. The process of watering crop is known as irrigation. They are divided into three types: furrow irrigation, basin irrigation and drip irrigation. And as a part of this, there is modern methods of irrigation. Sprinkler. The modern device uses to sprinkle the water to the field.
Removing unwanted plants and managing pests or diseases to prevent the crop damage. Is to remove weeds. We use the instruments like modern methods or traditional methods. Traditional methods like hand pulling or using turkeys. Modern methods like mechanicalized weeding or herbicide spray.
Crop harvesting is known as the important task among all agriculture tasks.
It is meant to be collecting grains from the crop by cutting the matured plants. Crop harvesting is divided into two processes: cutting by hands, cutting by harvesters.
After harvesting the seeds, we must store the grains to prevent damage and wastage. Storaging of grains means storing in a place for a long period of time without wasting. Improper storage can lead to the farmers' economical problems and food loss for us. There are two types of methods to store the seeds. One is traditional method and modern method. Traditional method does not give proper production, but it is very cheap. Modern method gives proper production and long-term storage. So we store in modern method. Now we have learned the agriculture task which is followed by time to time and their methods in general. You may observe that how farmers work hard to produce our daily basis. So let's take a bow to the farmers who are feeding us. Thank you.